Do you want to know how you can add referral code on your Temu app? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add referral code on Temu. Go ahead and open Temu app on your phone. After you open your app, go ahead and click on You, which you can see on the bottom of your screen. You can see coupons and offers. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see this is the page where you can add your referral codes on Temu. So you can see that you can add various types of codes like discount code, referral code, and you can also sign in using other accounts if you can't find your code. So there are three different types of coupons and offers which you can see. So you can keep your unused code over here, your used code over here, and your expired code. So once you keep your code here, click apply, then it will go to used. And if the code has expired, you can see that there is an option called expired. Click on it and you can see your expired coupons and offers from here. So this was a basic instruction how you can add referral codes on Temu. So write down your code over here and make sure it is a correct one. Click apply, and if this code is valid, you can now apply referral codes and discounts codes on Temu. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.